How to switch to a creator account on Instagram.
Keep in mind that when you switch to a professional account, your profile can't remain private. Instagram will automatically make it public, meaning everyone will be able to see your posts. You may want to review your content before moving forward. Open the Instagram app on or Android and go to your settings by tapping your profile icon in the bottom right. Then the three lines at the top right, scroll down and select account type and tools. From there, choose switch to professional account. Then tap next. Choose the category that best fits you, for example, digital creator, and decide whether you want it displayed on your profile. Now switch to professional account. Instagram will then show you a setup guide with several steps, but you can skip them by tapping the X. You will know the switch is complete when you see the professional dashboard, where your analytics and tools will appear.